Hey folks, this is Mike from KEI Fabrication. This is my LS swapped Mazda V2200. If you're new to my channel, go back and check out some of the modifications we've done to this to make it a road racer, a circle track racer, and a drag racer. It's in the process of undergoing some more transformations. You'll see updates on that soon. Alright folks, this is for those of you who are doing an LS swap, LS1 engine, LS1 intake, for a really tight engine compartment, and if you need that sharp 90-degree turn to get your airbox inlet working, this is a 99 Silverado air inlet with a bunch of modifications. And let me show you what I did to modify this to make it work for me and get rid of all those unnecessary outside things. So I just pulled this hose off and I just wanted to show you. Now I just chopped this off here because this was the cleanest, straightest part of this connection, and it got me to a point where the rest of my system would work. But I just took and cut with a grinding wheel this off and kind of sanded it smooth. You can see I did all the way across. I cut it all, and if you look inside, there's a seam here. If you needed to, you could put some epoxy in there and close it up, but I just stayed, that's why I didn't sand this down any more than I already have, so I didn't break into that seam that's on the inside. But you can chop these things up and make them work. I'm sure it's obvious to a lot of you, but that big old ugly box on here that's supposed to quiet down the sound of the air rushing in, that's really all it is a silencer. You can eliminate all that and make it into a nice 90-degree turn. So it worked for me. I hope it works for you folks. By the way, this right here is from a 96 Suburban, this accordion hose, and then that fit perfectly onto the mass airflow sensor for the 99 Silverado. I believe this connection point, this little accordion piece here, was for the 99 Silverado as well, and that's just connected to a 4-inch elbow that goes into my cone shaped filter that's inside this fresh air box. So anyway, hopefully that's helpful for you folks. Thanks for watching.